Turnpike Parkway Bridge.
All right, guys, so I'm sitting here editing this, and where we started off, we're underneath a toll road bridge. Super crazy how you have to get there, and it is just noisy as heck, and it's terrible footage. It really is. We didn't catch anything. We were getting skunked. We thought we were, at least, until I had a friend, little dragonfly that we named Burt, land right here on my sweatshirt. Since we noticed that this dragonfly landed on our sweatshirt, we just started slaying fish. I think we fished for like an hour. He stayed on the whole time, and we caught probably 5 or 6 smallmouth apiece, and a really nice one. You're about to see the footage for that. My GoPro unfortunately died at the end. But no, it's great footage. So come along with me now and let's get into it.
It's algae. It's a fish. Something just nibbling the hell out of it too. Something bit that hard. Huh?
Oh, dude, Bandito or this? What
He swam right to you.
Where'd you find him at?
I don't know, he's out there fiddling around. We got a dragonfly. It's pretty. Old fiddler! Old fiddler Jim out there, boy. Just having the time of his life. Look at him.
Tell your friend, bub.
Tell him where he found us. We'll be here all day.
Here. Put a little beat up bug on there.
Put a little Dee Dee on there. See what she does. See what she does. We in Dink City right now. Look at this. Look at this freaking dragonfly just hanging out with me, chilling. He said, "Son, you ever catch a smallmouth bass? Put me on there." Oh, you putting it on the spinner?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if I'll be doing all that now.
Why?
I thought you were just throwing the... I thought you just... Because that's going to scare everything away within a quarter mile.
Why?
You're going to cross me. I'm gonna call the state to give you a job dredging the bottom of the river. Is that damn algae? All right, let's move out there. We're naming him Burt. See it? That's Burt.
Who?
Burt.
Who?
Burt.
Oh, he's still there?
Me and Burt big chilling, boy. Me and Burt. Me, Burt, and Aaron on a trek for the smallmouth, boy. That's kind of risky just stepping randomly. Give her a nibble. Wait, let's go that way. What's Burt doing down here, boy?
I don't know where the hell this came from.
I don't either. Is it mushy? That's solid. That's solid. Nice. All right. Hold on, Burt. We're going for a wild ride, brother.
All right, Burt.
All right, Burt.
I don't know what's in here, but
Aaron taking a leap of faith.
I'm fucking tired out.
Is it dry? Is it dry?
Yeah.
Hold on, Burt. Oh yeah, she's good. Oh. Me and Burt are gonna try out for the. What's he doing? All right, Burt, let's see if we can get right here.
Got Bluegill in my hands.
Bro, I got that on GoPro. Hey, don't worry. Aaron ain't catching with no pole. That boy get him.
I'm out there noodling.
Noodling the James River for the bluegill, boy.
Live bait. Live bait.
Me, I'm telling you, Burt's good luck.
I'm playing.
I can't believe that was recording. That's kind of crazy. Burt's good luck. You just stay right there, Burt. We'll take good care of you. Dude, I can't believe that. Wait. Wait. Hang in there, Burt. We're getting to the promised land here in a minute. Hold up. Yeah, right there. That's good right there, Burt. I think Burt's dead.
Still there?
Yeah. Whole time I've been hollering, hang on, Burt, hang on, Burt. All right, so we're gonna jig down the rapids. Usually not my style, but it's done the trick a few times for me. Very deep in here. Aaron, this is a monster.
Huh?
I barely got him hooked.
Oh,
Ah, shit. Stop that, stop this. That's a monster! Look at that! That is a monster smallmouth. Oh my God, bro! Oh, look at that thing!
that's smallmouth?
Yeah! That thing's huge for a smallmouth.
That looks like a largemouth.
I know, it's huge.
It's kind of crazy that the camera died right there. I have the external battery. It completely was drained too. This wasn't really a trip that we prepared for. We just kind of threw our stuff on and just went after it. And but I think that the best footage was definitely got. There was no room for anything better for the rest of the day. There's a couple more fish. One really nice one. You can check them out on Instagram. Aaron had a really nice smallmouth too. I just hit 100 followers on my Instagram. If you want to go check it out, I'm going to be doing a giveaway here soon. It is Eastern period fin. But guys, thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed the video.